Have you noticed that your Android phone records every call automatically? If you want to stop that, you're in the right place. The process is quick, easy, and only takes a minute. Start by opening the phone app on your Android device. You can usually find it by tapping the green phone icon on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu to access more options. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll through the available options until you find Call Recording, Record Calls, or a similar setting. The name may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Tap on the recording option to open its settings. If Auto Record Calls is enabled, you'll see the switch turned on. Simply tap the toggle to switch it off. From this point forward, your phone will no longer record calls automatically. If you don't see a call recording option, don't worry. Some Android phones don't include this feature because of regional laws, carrier restrictions, or software differences. In that case, check whether a third-party call recording app is installed on your device. If one is, open its settings and disable automatic recording, or uninstall the app if you don't need it anymore. You're all set. Your calls will no longer be recorded automatically. For more quick Android tricks and hidden phone features, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.